Hi, Berting. Thank you, Berting. Bait-bait ni Berting. Ganun siya. Oh. Hi, Jose Marie. Wala dito bloated. No, I'm not. Diba pwedeng hindi lang ako nakaupo na maayos. Swatch here. Bahala nga kayo dyan. Hi, Marky. Inform something that I can't find. Where is it right now? Can't find it. It's here, but I don't think so. Maybe somewhere here. Let's check if it's here. But I doubt that it's here. Kasi I don't put my lipsticks in here. Need to throw this out. Throw. Throw and throw. Hi, Bite 4. Dami kong kung ano-anong gamot. I'm gonna throw this out na rin. Hi, Puppy Love. Hello. Good afternoon, guys. How are you? Hi, Win. Yo, what's up? Ano, boy? Nag-live na ako, boy. Pero, may hinahanap ako, boy. Basta ka naman, boy. Okay ka pa ba, boy? Saan kaya yan? Wala na kasi akong lipstick. Wala na yung lip tint ko. Yung isa kong lipstick. Tapos na yung isa. Yung isa takip na lang natira. Nahanap ko yung lip tint ko. Feeling ko hindi yun nawala. Baka na-misplace ko lang. Pero hindi eh. Hindi ko kasi yung nilalagay ko sa kasi nga, lagi ko siyang ginagamit. Kawi ko lang ng derm. Na. Babalik. So, yan. Tika lang, guys. Wait a minute. Hello, pwede na ako na lang gumawa. Diba lang ano? Tama yan, mag-volunteer kayo. Ganun dapat. Diba? Thank you, Win. Sa pag tap. Galing dito. Jesus, oh.